My name is Poonam Ingle and I am going to discuss about cloud service management. So, cloud service management, a system integrates of service supply chain management that connect actual company sales and customers. So, the meaning of supply chain management is to manage all the products. The goal of service management is to maximize service supply chain. The purpose of service management is to reduce higher cost by integrating products and services and keep inventory levels smaller. The easiest example of service management is in today's world, the most important resource is time, and is the most important resource the time that need support, that needs service and support, that builds the speed to get their job done fastly and flexibility. This all work has been done with a service management. Cloud service management. According to IBM, cloud service management and operations entails all the activities that an organization does to plan, design, deliver, operate, and control the IT and cloud services that is offered to customer. Cloud enables digital transformation to transform organization or employees. Cloud monitors and cloud service management tools allows cloud provider to ensure optimal performance, continuity and efficiency in virtualized on-demand environment. With the diagram of cloud service management, cloud service provider provide services through a supply chain management to a visibility, control and automation. With a visibility which means transparent. Cloud provider never hide any information from a customers. What the meaning of control? Whatever services provided that have a full control on a provider, also a consumer. Automation, which means whatever services we are provided to a customer that is tested at any condition. When we merge these three things, visibility, control and automation, it means efficiency, control, delivery for public implementation and private implementation. Illustrate that services management provider that visibility control and automation needed for efficiency control delivery in both public and private simplify user interaction with the IT. The user-friendly self-services accelerate time to value services catalogs enable which drives consistent service delivery. So for that there's uses of user interference. Some policies is there, some user interference are there, some policies are there, brokers and policies, cloud services, better or customer availability for 9.999 and rule based administration. Service level objective. The service level objective is the customer services reliability targeted level. To be effective, the service level objective must be achievable and reflected the technical reliability of your organization. It needs to be high enough to keep the customer satisfied but low enough that the business can achieve it. Your service level objective can change over time to improve as your system improves. The service level objective is an agreement by the internal services managers, the development teams and the operations teams. All parties must support it. Express the service level objectives as a percentage of achievements over a period. The closer the number to 100%, the better. The service level objective is, however, and service level objective is rarely targeted to be 100%. Cloud service management can be described from the perspective of business support, provisioning and configuration, portability and interoperability requirement. Now, business support. Business support, which means customers are facing numbers of challenges right now, particularly around the ability to ground revenue against a backdrop or failing. Business supports involves the set of businesses, related services, dealing with a client, and supporting processes. Now points of business supports: customer management, contract management, inventory management, accounting and billing management. So now the customer management, its points is manage customer accounts, open, close, terminate accounts, open and close and terminate accounts, manage user profiles, manage customer relationship by providing points of contact and resolving customer issues and problems, etc. Contract management: manage services contracts, set up, negotiation, close, terminate contracts. Inventory management: set up and manage services catalogs, accounting and billing, manage customer billing information, send billing statements, process received payments, track invoice, etc. So provisioning and configuration. Now the provisioning and configuration. The meaning of provisioning. Provisioning is the process of setting up IT infrastructure. It can also refer to the setup required to manage access to data and resources and make them available to user and systems. Provisioning is not the same thing as a configuration, but they set steps in a development process. Once something has been provised, the next step is a configuration. It includes following: rapid provisioning, automatically deploying cloud systems based on the requested service resources and capabilities. Resource changing, adjusting configuration resources, assignment for repairs, upgrades, and joining new nodes into the cloud. Monitoring and reporting, discovering and monitoring virtual resources, monitoring cloud operations and events, and generating performance reports. According to National Institute Standard Technology, the adoption of cloud computing depends greatly on how the cloud can address user concern on security, portability, and portability. Portability: customers are interested to know whether they can move their data or application across multiple clouds, environments, and low cost and minimum disruptions. Interoperability: it means users are concerned about the capability to communication between or among multiple clouds. That means if clouds know the data can how where we have to store and save our data. So at that time users and concerned about the capability to communicate between or among multiple clouds. In cloud computer, interoperability typically refers to the ability to easily move. Workers are concerned about capability to communicate between or among multiple clouds. In cloud computing, entropy typically refers to the ability to easily move workload and data from one cloud provider to another cloud provider, between private and public cloud. Common traffic for enabling interoperability is the use of open standard, and many cloud standardization projects are developing standards for the computer. According to Microsoft data portability standards, easy to migration and development, developer choice are the basic el- eliminatory points for ensuring importability in the cloud. Dynamic cloud-based infrastructure platform and application services does not occur in a vacuum. In addition to best practices for effective administration of all the elements associated with cloud service deliver, cloud service management and cloud monitoring tools enable providers to keep up with the continuously shifting capability demands of the highly elasticity environment. So first thing, two more things I want to add in provisioning example. Take an example as in Red Hat and AWS cloud and configuration. And in a configuration, AWS by user ID and password and Python management purpose. Python for management purpose. Thank you.